Even if you haven't tried this health elixir, you've probably heard about kombucha. But do you know what exactly kombucha is? Kombucha is made from tea fermented with sugar and a bacterial culture called a SCOBY whose fermentation process takes between 7 to 14 days. These probiotics work to boost the immune system and improve overall health. Kombucha benefits include the ability to fight off disease-causing bacteria, manage diabetes, and improve cardiovascular health. Watch this video till the very end to find out all kombucha benefits. Helps prevent disease. The antioxidants in kombucha work to reduce oxidative stress in the body that can damage cells. Thanks to the beverage's ability to fight off infection and promote healing, this includes diseases such as cancer. Supports gut health. Kombucha benefits the gut due to it being a healthy source of probiotics. Kombucha probiotics help restore balance to the digestive system by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. Furthermore, research has shown that kombucha has the ability to prevent and heal stomach ulcers. Kombucha can also help stop candida from overpopulating in the gut, help improve mental state. Kombucha contains a healthy dose of B vitamins, including vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays an important role in increasing energy levels and maintaining mental health. Research has indeed shown that mental health is directly related to gut health. Furthermore, research shows that depression may be a symptom of leaky gut syndrome. By improving gut health, kombucha can also help improve mental health by minimizing the effects of anxiety and depression. Improves lung health. Kombucha benefits lung health by aiding in the detox process. Researchers found that the fermented drink may be a potential treatment for a lung disease called silicosis. This is a condition that develops due to repeated exposure to silica particles. Additionally, studies have shown that inhaling kombucha may help treat lung diseases caused by inhalation of dangerous material. Works as an antibacterial agent. Studies have shown that kombucha benefits include antibacterial effects against staph, E. coli, salmonella, and other types of harmful bacteria. The live cultures in kombucha work to destroy bacteria that causes infections. Some bacteria leads to foodborne illnesses. The good bacteria found in kombucha, however, can help destroy the bacteria that leads to this and other complications. Helps manage diabetes. Black tea has natural anti-diabetic effects. The fermenting process helps further improve liver and kidney health, which many diabetics struggle with. To avoid large amounts of sugar, it is better to make your own kombucha than buy it in the store. Improves cardiovascular health. Research has shown that the fermented drink helps naturally lower triglyceride levels. The antioxidants in kombucha help unclog arteries and naturally regulate cholesterol levels to improve heart health. This may help protect against heart attacks and other heart-related complications. Improves liver health. Thanks to the antioxidants it contains, kombucha benefits include the ability to maintain a healthy liver. By aiding in the detoxification process, kombucha helps filter harmful compounds from the liver. Whether it's to help your liver, manage diabetes, or improve heart health, keep in mind you still need to watch sugar intake. Read labels carefully, and if in doubt, you can make your own kombucha at home. This will allow you to control sugar content while still reaping the benefits kombucha has to offer. Did you know about these benefits of kombucha? Share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends to make them healthier. Click subscribe to join the wellness empire for more tips.